What is up, everybody? It is Flash back with some more charts and another video. Today is Friday, April 26th. Excuse me. It's almost 12:30 p.m. here on the East Coast. It's a Friday. We're feeling good. We got a bit of a suddenly green day in the uranium world. You love to see it. And heading into the weekend, you love to see kind of what this price action is doing. We had two kind of pretty strong days, a little bit of a sell off yesterday, but we ended green. Really good. I don't know if it's a follow through day today, but just kind of looks like this wants to go higher, in my personal opinion. This is on the daily URA. If we drop back out to the weekly, again, I think we're just making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and we just got to poke up through here for a higher high. So, love to see it. Love some good positive momentum heading into the weekend. A couple ratios that I'll look at with you guys today are URA versus SPX and URA versus gold, because I think these are also telling us some good things are to come. URA versus SPX, this isn't a very technical wedge, but if we zoom out a little bit, looks pretty good. I mean, bit of a breakout and a retest, and you can even kind of connect some lines here to kind of look like an ascending triangle, ascending wedge, where this can continue to squeeze up and will continue riding up this bull. URA measured in SPX. Again, in a uranium bull market, commodity bull market, we want to be outperforming the S&P 500 or general equities. And so far, I think this looks pretty good. So just dropping out onto the weekly, again, kind of squeezing, slight wedge formation. It's really just a retest. But what I really wanted to point out is go to the hike in a she. I don't know if the hike in a she is great. Look at it. The line is actually really good. Like, we are forming some sort of energy buildup here, some sort of consolidation underneath resistance. I think building the energy to kind of blast through and go a little bit higher here into the early summer. So that looks pretty constructive. Like a lot of this short term kind of squeezy. Hopefully we're going to pop up here. So it looks good. It's a bullish consolidation underneath resistance. That's what you like to see. Next, this is more of a more well-defined wedge. Gold measured in, or URA rather, measured in gold. And again, this is incredibly important if we're going to be if gold's in a bull market, we want to be outperforming gold, frankly. And if gold is going to be outperforming, especially the S&P 500, man, that's great if URA is outperforming gold. This one, again, breakout of a consolidation, and then there's more of a well-defined wedge here. Retest of this trend line on the bigger picture. This one, a lot of touches right through here, especially. This is the one I'm talking about. Retest, and yeah, it just looks great. Like, see, we're even continuing to go higher here. So whatever's happening, it's a good thing. We want to break out versus gold heading into the early summer again, and maybe it's going to be a uranium summer, boys. I mean, a uranium summer. Love to see it. Love to hear it. I'm not going to go through all the tickers today, but I mean, look at UEC, NextGen, DNN, ISO, up a considerable amount. Centrus Energy looking pretty good. Laramide, CCJ up 1%. We're still kind of we're midday here on Friday, so we have a little bit of time to go. But yeah, man, looks like a great candle so far on this Friday. We'll look at URNM, great candle. We'll zoom out a little bit on the weekly for UNRM, and I mean, that's just a beautiful picture right here. I mean, pull into a bull flag, and we're gonna resuming this bull run. It's a little bit choppy, but hey, nothing goes up in a straight line. If we want to throw a moving average on it, because we can kind of say generally it went up, we went sideways, and now we're continuing to going up from a moving average perspective, right? So that looks good. URNJ, if we want to go onto the daily here, because we don't have a ton of data. A couple more lines on this chart. Still kind of finding my way here with how I want to chart URNJ, but looks like there's an upwards channel here. And support, and we're bouncing. Nice big candle on support right here. So URNJ looks good, man. yeah, not much else to say. We're steady as she goes, heading into the weekend. Happy Friday. Drop me a like if you're pumped for the weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday. Stay safe. This is Flash signing off. I'll see you guys. Peace.